when he does that, it's a new day.
What is that?
It's a new day. A new day.
New season.
A new season. It's a new day. It's a fresh anointing. It's coming all about it.
Season of power.
Prosperity.
Yeah.
You know what else?
It's a new season.
And
I'm in highway.
no. It's a new season.
It's a new season.
The newest season.
The newest season. Right.
Coming my way.
Woo!
Woo!
Get on, Bishop.
Yes, it is. Woo! It's a new season.
I'm gonna write a song.
Mr. God to me sing. What's song Mr. God to me singing?
That's the song he sings?
He sings.
Oh, God.
Mr. God to sing.
Bishop Garlington. He sings. Did he sing tomorrow about this time things are gonna change?
Yeah, but he sings. He sung a song of New Breed.
I forget.
What? Really?
Lois, if you don't stop videotaping, you think you slick.
Show him that. Like Basil. Tomorrow. You haven't seen that story, right? Yeah, he been tomorrow.
At deeper level, he was saying.
That's great.
He was like, hey guys.
Things are gonna change. No, my first version, I was like, wow, maybe it's just different. I felt like I was in a movie.
Right.
Disney, you know what I mean? I was Disney one minute, and then I was horror.